proceed now to the third method using the same samples. The fractions, which are 2/3 and 3/4. Since long division involves, of course, dividing number, I have to involve radical symbol and put 2 inside and 3 outside as the divisor. When you divide 2 by 3, of course, you cannot. So put 0. Put 0 beside 2. And at the same time, put that above, as a representation that you are putting 0 beside this dividend. Now, 20 is already divisible by 3. Think of the best factor that when you multiply it by 3, the product could either equal or less than 20. Let's try to skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh, it's 18. Let's write 18 here. Because when you divide 18 by 3, it's 6. Okay? And then subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. Put another 0. And of course, bring down 0. Think of another multiple of 3 wherein the factor should be either equal or less than 20. Let's think of 18. Because 18 is divisible by 3, which is 6 again. When you multiply back, of course, it's 18. And subtract, it's 2. Actually, this is continuous. This is actually infinite or unending. When you keep on putting 2 and then bring down 0, 0, 0, put 2, 2. This is actually infinite. This is endless. If you will still proceed or continue, the answer will always be 0.666666, so on and so forth. All you have to do is, if the quotient is non-terminating, you just round it off. Just change this from 0.66 to 0.67. We are only after of a decimal number with 2 decimal places. Next, with this 3/4, let's divide 3 by 4. 4 as the divisor, and we're going to divide 3 by 4. Of course, you cannot divide 3 by 4, meaning you put 0. Then, indicate another 0 here beside 3, and at the same time, put a dot simultaneously as representation that you are putting 0 beside this number. Let's now think of the multiple of 4, which could be either equal or less than 30. Always remember, your factor and the multiple should not be more than 30. Otherwise, you will be violating the rule of division. So the best thing, if you skip count, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Oh, it's only until 28. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay, let's subtract. The answer is 2. put another 0 and then bring down 0. Let's divide 20 divided by 4 is 5. When you multiply it back, the answer will always be 20. And when you subtract, the answer is 0. This quotient is actually terminating number, meaning it ended up with 0 here. 0 difference. There's no other left here. We ended up with this terminating number. This is actually non-terminating because when you continue to keep on putting 0, 0, 0, and then your answer will always be 2 here. The difference will be always 2, 2, 2. It will be infinite. The quotient will be infinite. So you just need to round it off. In here, this is terminating already. It ended up there. So our quotient is 0.75. Let's compare 0.75 and 0.67, which is bigger. Of course, 75. 0.75 belongs to the 3/4. Am I clear? I hope everybody has understood well. So, may God bless everyone. Thank you.